Are you tired of dealing with messy and unorganized storage containers for your rice, beans, and grains? Say goodbye to the hassle and welcome the DYRABREST Rice Dispenser into your kitchen. This premium rice container is made of food-grade PP material, ensuring durability and longevity. You can rest assured that it won't break easily, allowing you to enjoy its benefits for a long time. It keeps your food fresh and extends its storage time, ultimately improving your quality of life. The rice dispenser features a 360-degree rotation, allowing you to place it in any corner of your kitchen to save space. The 6-grid design enables you to store different types of food separately. For instance, each grid can hold up to 1 kg of rice, providing a total storage capacity of 6 kg. No more worries about running out of storage space. We've also included thoughtful design features to enhance convenience. With the one-click quantitative rice harvesting, you can easily retrieve the desired amount of rice without any wastage. The removable top cover makes it convenient to add grains, while the bottom of the dispenser is equipped with a measuring cup for your rice receiving needs. The measuring cup can hold around 0.6 kg of rice. The transparent design allows you to monitor the remaining amount of grain easily, ensuring you never run out unexpectedly. Plus, the dispenser keeps your food dry and healthy. Cleaning the dispenser is a breeze. The durable plastic container can withstand frequent use and is easy to clean. Simply wash it with water, and for those hard-to-reach corners, we provide a cleaning sponge brush that can effectively clean every nook and cranny. It's a fantastic deal as you get 2 items in one purchase, as the brush can also be used to clean your mug. Versatile and space-saving, these stackable food storage containers are not limited to just rice. They can be used for storing a variety of grains, seeds, and other small particle products such as millet, black rice, corn, soybean, mung bean, and red bean. They are suitable for countertops, pantry racks, refrigerators, freezers, cabinets, closets, and more. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for use internationally. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. Get organized and upgrade your kitchen storage with the DYRABREST Rice Dispenser. Say goodbye to messy containers and enjoy the convenience of easily accessible and neatly stored grains. Order your rice dispenser now and elevate your cooking experience.